National Congress and Maharashtra Gomantak Party, wherein we had challenged the order of the Speaker, wherein he had dismissed our disqualification petition, saying that all these 12 MLAs had not incurred disqualification. The Honorable High Court today was pleased to dismiss our petition, thereby upholding the order of the Speaker.
So, decision appeal
we have to still read the order, and only the judgment has been pronounced saying that the petition has been dismissed. We'll have to read, but anyways, this is something which we feel that we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging the judgment of the Honorable High Court. Basically because we feel that this virtually leads to a situation where the existence of the political party in the democratic system is being questioned. So that being the case, I think we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging this order in the Supreme Court.
What exactly said in the pronouncement?
Basically, the only pronouncement done was there were 8 issues framed by the Honorable High Court. All of them have been answered against the petitioner, and therefore the petitions have been dismissed. Beyond that, we'll have to read the order, what exactly is there in the order. Only thereafter we will be able to comment on that. According to us, it is absolutely clear that for a valid merger under the 10th schedule, 2 twin requirements are there. That firstly, there should be a merger of the political party, and thereafter 2/3 of the members have to agree to that merger. What the other side had agreed, and I think which is the view upheld by the Honorable High Court, is that if 2/3 of the members of the legislature party agree or they decide to merge, they by themselves can initiate a merger process and complete it, which to our understanding was not the correct position, but now the High Court has taken a view that it is permissible. So obviously that's the view of the High Court. We are bound by it, but obviously we are thinking of challenging it in the Supreme Court, because this is going to be something which is questioning the role of political party itself in the entire democratic process, because it's virtually that 2/3 of the members will take some decision and the political party will virtually have no say at all in this entire process.
Order has application across the country?
It is something which will be cited as a precedent across the country. Obviously, yes, there is earlier one judgment of full bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. As of Bombay High Court, there was no judgment directly on the 10th schedule, but there was a judgment in the context of one municipal law, which is basically modeled on 10th schedule, wherein the full bench of this Honorable High Court, the Bombay High Court itself, had taken a view that for a valid merger, both the things are required. That is the merger of the political party as well as the agreement of the 2/3 of the legislature party. That was the view of the full bench. We had cited that before the High Court. Even then the court has taken a different view. Obviously there must be reason for that, which we will come to know only once we read the judgment.
सो पयली म्हणजे जी ऑर्डर ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान दिल्ली आसा आमचे पिटिशन डिसमिस करून ती इज ऑन अनएक्सपेक्टेड लायन्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू चॅलेंज इट सुप्रीम कोर्ट बिकॉज द वेरी एक्झिस्टन्स ऑफ political parties is in the question, and the politics that is taking place all over country today, it will encourage the kind of politics of Narendra Modi government at center. With the use of money, they can change the mandate of the people. So this actually order goes against the existence of political parties and existence of democratic values. So it is setting a bad precedence in the country, where after the elections, few MLAs can come together and take a decision, irrespective of what political party which has nominated them as a candidate, with which this candidate got elected, with the party's programs, party's manifesto, party's agenda and symbol. Irrespective of that, the few MLAs will join together. They may take money from the party in power and can break away. So this is going to set a bad precedence, not only for the Congress party, but all the political parties across country, and we definitely needs to challenge it at Supreme Court, because very spirit of the 10th schedule has been destroyed by this order. The purpose of the 10th schedule is to prevent defection. The very spirit of the 10th schedule is to prevent this horse trading. And that is why I think it's necessary that this order needs to be challenged.
चॅलेंज केलें जाल्यार परत प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शकता म्हणटा तुम्ही रिजल्ट आहा तेंटर की तुम्ही ऑलरेडी तुमचे कॅन्डिडेटाचे कॉन्टॅक्टान बीजेपी आहा म्हणटात तसो प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शकता.
ह्या ऑर्डरीन जें कितें देशांत चल्लां ताका एनकरेजमेंट दिवपा सारको एक परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा. आतां ती एक्झॅक्टली ऑर्डर कशी आसा कितें आसा तें आमकां वाचले बगर कळचें ना, पूण जे लोकांचो पब्लीक मॅन्डेट जो आसता तो मॅन्डेट चेंज करपाक सो पावर आयज ह्या ऑर्डरीन आमदारांक दिल्लो आसा. सो जो एक ज्या स्पिरिटान 10th शेड्यूल हाडलें कित्याक ह्या देशाक की कोण तरी उठताले आनी वचून दुसरे पार्टीक जॉईन जाताले आनी लोकांचो जो मॅन्डेट आशिल्लो तो चेंज करताले. ज्या खातीर वोटींग केल्या लोकांनी ते चॅलेंज करता ते चेंज जाताले. आनीक आयज देशभरान आमी पळयल्लें आसा की कशें करून लोक वोटिंगाक एक पार्टीक दितात आनी तेजे नंतर दुसरोच सरकार त्या आमदारांक फोडटा आनी आपलो सरकार सत्तेर दवरता. सो हें सगळें जर क्लियर जातलें जाल्यार ही ऑर्डर आमकां चॅलेंज करपाक पडटली. आनीक एक क्लियर मॅन्डेट म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान घेवचो पडटलो की एक्झॅक्टली 10th शेड्यूल is to encourage the defection, is to encourage the merger, or it is to prevent that. That the Honorable Supreme Court will have to make it clear the very intent of this 10th schedule, the spirit of the 10th schedule, the purpose of the 10th schedule, whether it is to encourage such type of mergers and the defections and to overturn the mandate of the people, or it is to set it right.
10 तारखे रिजल्ट आहा तेचे पयलीं चॅलेंज करतले.
आमी आमच्या एक म्हणजे पयलीं म्हणजे डिटेल ऑर्डर पळोवपाक पडटली. आनीक आमी ऑलरेडी आमच्या एडवोकेट अभिजिता कडेन आमी डिस्कस केल्लें आसा, आमच्या हायर अप्सां कडेन ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केल्लें आसा की हें फक्त हांगा फक्त गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचेंच क्वेश्चन आसना, वा आख्ख्या देशाच्या सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो एक्झिस्टन्साचो क्वेश्चन आसता. म्हणजे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फक्त नॉमिनेट करपाक कॅन्डिडेटांक इतलेच पुरती उरतली काय, आणि तेजे नंतर जे इलेक्ट जाल्ले MLA जाय ते आपल्याक डिसिजन घेवन लोकांचो जो मॅन्डेट आसा तो ओव्हरटर्न करपाचे प्रयत्न जातलो काय. सो हेचो क्वेश्चन आसा. See, we are not worried about the 10th what is happening on the 10th. Although we know that although the Honorable High Court has dismissed this our petition, we are confident then people of Goa are going to disqualify them on the 10th of this March, and we are confident, more confidence in the people of Goa. So people of Goa will definitely punish all the defectors. आणि तेजे नंतर ज्या तरेन डिफेक्टरांक ह्या फावटी इलेक्शना कडेन त्रास जाल्ले आसात, सगळ्या जे कोणी डिफेक्शन केल्लें आसा तांकां, तें पळयलें जाल्यार लोकांचो कळ कितें आसा तो कळटा. आनी तातूंतल्यान लोक हें सगळें कितें रॉंग चल्लां, कोर्टान कितें हें जावं पॉलिटिकल पार्टीनी कितें हें करूं, पूण लोक ह्या हेका जो एक वायट प्रथा देशांत सुरू जाल्ली आसा ती गोंयचे लोक ते हेका सारकेच करेक्शन करतले आनी 10 तारखेचे वर्डीक क्लियर जातली. तितूंतल्यान आनी एक क्वेश्चन येता की बी फॉर्माचो व्हॅल्यू कितें जाता काय म्हणून. जे बी फॉर्म एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नॉमिनेट करता त्या बी फॉर्माचो व्हॅल्यू ह्या ऑर्डरीन 0 करून उडयला. सो देर आर मेनी क्वेश्चन्स that will raise after this order. This order is not going to answer many questions. On the contrary, this order is going to raise number of questions. It's open for number of questions that will give rise from now onwards.
What does it do to the electoral process, person? What does it mean for the electoral process?
See, as I said, this Form B is issued by the political party to nominate the candidates. So the question is of whether this Form B, what is the validity of Form B is a question as per the recent order that has come.
Would you say this is a setback for the Congress?
See, I don't see this as a setback because the bigger court is the People's Court, and we have more confidence in the People's Court.
Thank you.
Thank you.